There are a few signs that may help you find out if your cell phone has spy software installed and that it is being tracked, tapped, or monitored in some way. Quite often these signs can be quite subtle, but when you know what to look out for, you can sometimes find out if your cell phone is being spied on. 1. Odd phone behavior. Look for any changes in your cell phone's behavior. Does it suddenly light up when not in use, make random beeping noises, shut down by itself, or exhibit any other random behavior? All phones can do strange things from time to time, but if this is happening on a regular basis, it could be a sign that your phone is being accessed by hidden software. 2. Battery rundown. Some spy software apps can increase the use of your battery, so look out for any sudden changes in your battery life. Does it need charging more often? Bear in mind that over time your cell phone battery life will diminish naturally, so you're looking for any dramatic change. Some of the cheaper spy software programs will run your battery down quickly, however, the more modern programs are designed to make less demand on the battery and are harder to spot. 3. Phone shuts down. Does your phone regularly shut down by itself, even when the battery is charged? Some spy software can be quite buggy, and is known to cause this. 4. Background noise. Don't get paranoid with this one, is quite often this easily explained as a bad connection. If it is happening more than normal, it could be another telltale sign. Look out for static, clicking, beeping or voices in the background. Some call listening and recording features can cause this background noise as they access your phone like a conference call. 5. Receiving unusual texts. Are you receiving strange text messages containing random numbers, symbols or characters? The remote control feature of spy software works by sending secret, coded text messages to your phone, and in some cases, these can be seen if the software is not working correctly. If this happens regularly, you could have a spy app on your phone. 6. Increased data usage. Have you noticed an increase in your normal data usage? Some of the less reliable spy apps use extra data to send the information collected from your phone, so look out for any unexplained increase in your monthly data usage. There are several apps that can be used to monitor your data usage. Check out My Data Manager Android from Google Play, and Data Usage for iPhone, available from the Apple Store. Again, with the best spy software programs, data usage has been reduced, and will be almost impossible to spot, but the poor programs will show significant data use. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, give us a like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.